Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismahuli an urabi nafsilakum jami'a. Ismi Devia Tazkia. Ana min Saudi Arabia wa askunul anif fi Bandung, Jawa Arbiyah.
Annyeonghaseyo, Nanen Siti Kartini.
Konnichiwa, ohayo gozaimasu, watashi nameha Sugitaru Japiniru.
Annyeonghaseyo, Yorobunje, Ilan and Nengsin Opinida, Manaso, Banggawoyo.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ismi Nuriyana min fi'ati arba'ata bila darati.
Hi Sarah, what is the most famous food from
Food there are very popular in Japan are sushi, sashimi, udon, ramen, takoyaki, and many other very tasty food.
Wow, that is delicious food, yes. So who is the most famous person from Japan, Sarah?
And the most famous person in Japan, named Daimyo, he was a powerful Japanese king, a feudal lord.
Okay, well, what is the unique culture in Japan?
The unique of Japanese culture include sado, where the Japanese have a habit of drinking tea. Drink tea has become a heritage traditional in Japan. Even as a ceremony, Japan people perform this ceremony with full apricot. Tea drink is done in special traditional room with tatami floor.
Okay, what is the most popular building?
One of the most famous buildings in Japan is Sansori Asakusa, Tokyo, which is the most amazing building in Japan and the old temple in Japan, which has a beautiful building.
Okay, hi Sarah. Is there anything forbidden to you or something taboo?
Things that include awasabi, which is the activity of giving food to order from one pair of chopstick to another, and which their cherry blossom because cherry blossom are the national flowers of Japan.
Okay, so how's the weather?
Japan has four seasons, namely spring, autumn, winter, summer, but at the time in Japan it is spring to May.
Okay, Sarah, I want you ask, how are the people at Japan? Are they nice to tourism?
The characteristic of Japanese society reflects a nation that has high morality, strong mentality, and ethics. Reflected in the values and norms they uphold has a politic manners, a warm heart attitude, applause loyalty, takes a great care of feeling and respect, and very good for tourists.
Okay, and what is the most popular place or the iconic place at Japan?
The most visited place in Japan are Tokyo Disneyland, Tokyo Disney, Mountain Fuji, and Tokyo Skytree. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the answer.
Okay, Anna, what food are the most popular in Arab?
The most popular food in Arab is that
Who is the most famous person in Arab?
the most famous person in Arab is King Salman.
Anna, what is the unique culture from the Arab?
One of the uniqueness of Arab culture is clothing culture, married culture, and culture and art, and Arabia eating culture.
So what is the most popular building from Arab, Anna?
The most popular building in Arab is the
Okay, Anna, I have been curious about, is there any prohibited things to do or a taboo things at Arab?
the most common thing Arab include Riyadh, prohibition of adultery, do not have dog, drug and alcohol prohibition.
Okay, and how is the weather at Arab?
Arabia has a tropical climate and most of it has a subtropical climate.
Okay, Anna. What about the people? Are they good for tourists?
Nice question.
So, what's the most popular place, iconic place?
Popular place in Arabia is Royal Center Tower, Nabawi Mosque, Al-Haram Mosque, and others. Hi Pia, what is the most popular food in Arab?
Uh, the most popular in Arab it's dates, falafel, rice bran, hummus, malabari paratha, kebab is typically Arabic, and raisins dan manakish.
Okay. Who is the most famous person?
Muhammad Al-Maudi, Prince Sultan, and King Salman.
Okay, Pia. Um, what is the unique culture at Arab based on your opinion?
Okay, the Arabic culture that you should know. First, give priority to the family. Not only was Arabia famous for its faith, but it also placed a second place on their family after God. Second, dress culture. The dress code of Arabs with sweaterness must be very different. Most of the women in Arabia are required to wear hijab on burqa. 3. The eating Arab culture. The Arab have such deep respect for their guests that being quiet is a common practice in Arabia.
Okay, that's such a good culture ever. And then what is the most popular building at Arab?
Okay, the Central Kingdom Tower, Fatari, and Abraj Al Temple Tower.
Hi, Pia. Is there any prohibited things to do or a taboo things to do?
Yeah, clothes revealing, interact with instead of mahram, photographing government office buildings, the store must close at 5 o'clock, forbidden food and drink, and women travel alone and drive. Hello?
Okay, I think Siti Kartika has a trouble with her connection. So here I will continue her question. How is the weather at Arab?
Okay, Arab weather is very hot, but it has been difficult lately with heavy rain, snow, and extreme weather.
Okay. How are the people in Arab? Are they good for tourists?
Saudi Arabia is safe for tourists, like traveling to other countries in the world. Local rules and custom. Look at your surroundings and explore information before traveling. Be sure to consult with your travel agency. Public spaces in Saudi Arabia are separated between men and women. Avoid showing public love in access, such as kissing and hugging.
Okay. What is the most popular in place in Arab?
Yep, iconic in Arab is Kaabah. Thank you.
Okay, Siti Kartika, based on, oh sorry, as I know that we choose the same country, that is Korea, and of course we have a different answer about it. So I want to ask you, what is the most popular food at Korea?
Hi Nopi, the most popular food from South Korea is tteokbokki. It's some spicy rice cake.
Okay, and who is the most famous person?
I don't know specifically the most popular person from South Korea because South Korea has a lot of famous idol, but maybe I would say Lee Min Ho. He's the famous actor from Korea.
Okay, Ricard, what's her culture unique?
A unique culture in South Korea is 45 degree to the people respect it.
Okay, so what's the most popular building?
The most popular building from South Korea is Namsan Tower.
Okay, Tikar. Is there anything for hidden?
In South Korea, you can write someone's name using red ink because it's like you're hoping that person will die.
How the winter in Korea?
Now it's autumn in South Korea, so the weather is cool and pretty.
How are the people in Korea?
Korean peoples are good to the tourists, but they do not speak English. So if you're gonna go there, you have to learn Korean language first.
Okay. What is the most popular place in Korea?
The most iconic place in South Korea is Jeju Island.
Okay, hi Nopi, I will question for you. What is the most popular dish?
Okay, thank you for the question. Okay, as I know, the most popular food at Korea is kimchi and also jajangmyeon.
Okay, so who is the most famous person?
Okay, I have the same answer with Siti Kartika. Based on what have I watched from the movie and also others, the most famous person is Lee Min Ho and also Kim So Hyun.
Okay, Nopi. What is the unique of the culture in Korea?
Okay, after browsing and reading from the article, the Korean popular culture such as movie, TV dramas, and also pop music is overwhelmingly powerful, and TV dramas are one of the most remarkable popular cultures of this. And they are not only popular in terms of the fanaticalness of audience and fans, but also bring considerable profit to the nation income.
What most popular building?
Okay, the most popular building is Seoul City Hall, Kyobo Tower, and also Dong Diamond Design Plaza.
Okay. Is there an ability thing to do or about things?
Okay, after browsing The prohibited things to do or taboo things at Korea is accept things using your two hands, and also don't blow your nose in public areas, and don't write someone's name in red ink, and also don't ever wear our shoes in place of worship or people's home.
Okay. How is the weather in Korea?
Okay, the weather in Korea, or exactly in South Korea's climate, is characterized by a cold, relatively dry winter and a hot.
Nopi, how are the people? Are they nice to the tourists?
Okay, as I know, the people in Korea, or exactly in South Korea, are more open and tolerant toward foreign and immigrant living in South Korea. But as your answer last time, when we want to come to Korea, we should know the basic word in Korea.
So, what is the most popular place in the Korea?
Okay, the most popular place or the iconic place is Busan, or National Museum of Korea. Maybe that's all. Okay, thank you very much, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very
Thank
much,
you.
guys.